A new letter by Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung striking down the latest political appointment made by the Kejriwal government in Delhi says that for all constitutional purposes, he is the government. That letter has already escalated the bitter turf war between the two.
Delhi's turf war continues to spiral out of control. In a sharply worded letter, Najib Jung has rejected the appointment of Swati Maliwal as the chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women by the Aam Aadmi Party government. It states that the LG is the government of Delhi and that the party's choice for the women's panel was null and void with no constitutional sanctity. In a letter to the MHA earlier on, Najib Jung wrote that the CM had created a piquant situation by repeatedly violating existing norms for appointment of secretary-level officers.
And Lieutenant Governor is the constitutional authority for all these kind of appointment. And that's why they have not taken the permission from Honorable Lieutenant Governor.
तो दिल्ली के अंदर दिल्ली की पुलिस मोदी सरकार का हथियार बन के काम कर रही है. मोदी सरकार के इशारे पे काम कर रहे हैं, उनके इशारे पे नाच रही है.
Meanwhile, the BJP continues to charge the Aam Aadmi Party of nepotism. Before heading the Delhi's Women's Commission, Swati Maliwal was the advisor to Kejriwal on public grievances. Her husband is a senior AAP leader.
I think this is a very minor technical glitch because what is being said is that there was a file that was not sent or whatever. I think this should get resolved. It's not a very major issue because my credentials speak for itself, right?
But that was not the only flashpoint. The Aam Aadmi Party has also alleged that a Delhi police van tried to run over its leader Dilip Pandey during a protest rally.
जब अचानक किसी ने मुझे धक्का दिया, बोला भैया बचो, और पीछे से बड़ी तेजी से जो पुलिस की एक गाड़ी होती है वो ऑलमोस्ट मेरे ऊपर थी और पता नहीं मतलब ऊपर वाला शायद साथ है कि जो गलत मंसूबे वाले लोग हैं वो कामयाब नहीं हो पा रहे.
मेरे इतने लंबे करियर में मैंने अभी तक इस प्रकार की शिकायत नहीं सुनी है. आई कैन एश्योर यू, हमारे को किसी से रोष नहीं है, किसी से द्वेष नहीं है, किसी से के खिलाफ कोई प्रेजुडिस नहीं है.
On May 20th, filing a case in the Delhi High Court against the Home Ministry's notification, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, had said that everyone had united against us. Now, the AAP party and the government says they will seek time with the President, the Home Minister, the Prime Minister, the Lieutenant Governor and the police to resolve all issues. But it seems for now, the status quo will remain as both sides continue to fight. On one side, the Aam Aadmi Party and the government here in Delhi. On the other side, the LG, the police and the centre. And each day, another story unfolds and another standoff between both sides. With camera person Azam, Bhairavi Singh, NETV.